Hi, hello and welcome to another video by the scientist formerly known as Nigeli. In this episode I'm going to show you how to make a special wind spinner. I call it a Helix wind spinner from soda cans. The individual wind spinners can be connected together to form a long chain. These chains then can be either mounted horizontally or vertically or individually here in the old-fashioned way. Like usual, we are going to extract these aluminum sheets from soda cans. The aluminum sheets are super suitable for this outdoor project because our wind spinners will face a tough life due to exposure to sun, rain, wind and other elements. We start by removing the top and the bottom of the soda can. Use a knife to score the aluminum and then with the help of the credit card remove the bottom and the top. In the meantime, I 3D printed me a tool to efficiently remove top and bottom of soda cans. If there is enough interest, I could show in another video how to do this. Please write it in the comment section if I should do so. Around 4 soda cans are needed to make one wind spinner. So after successfully removing bottom and top of the soda can, it is cut apart with scissors. And now we come to the problem that the soda can is not behaving like we want. It's returning to its usual position. I already posted a video how to solve this problem with the iron. Just follow the link in the upper right corner. In case you have no iron, there is still the option to try bending the aluminum over the edge of a table to flatten it, like shown here. Of course, the result is not as nice as with the iron, but at least you can go on working. A circle cutter is used for the next step. The outer diameter is 12 centimeters. Same principle here as when removing the top and the bottom of the soda can. There is no need to cut through the aluminum. You only have to score it first on one side and then you turn over the aluminum and you score it from the other side also. In the next step, the inner circle is scored. The diameter is 7 centimeters. Then, like before, turn the sheet and score it also from the other side. And now we are ready to extract the first ring for the helix of the wind spinner. With a little bending and then the help of the credit card, it's very easy to release the aluminum ring. You need around 4 pieces for one helix. And finally with scissors you cut the ring on one side only. I always like to give options if you do not have the tools that I have. So as an example, if you do not have the circle cutter, you can easily modify a compass by taking out the lead and then remove it with a nail. And now you can use it like a circle cutter to score the aluminum and then you maybe have to take scissors or so, but at least if you have no circle cutter you have a way to go forward. Ending up with 4 individual rings. We are ready now to connect them to form a helix. But before connecting them, we have to first make some reference lines on the rings. Score these lines 7 millimeters at the end and the start of each ring. Two rings are paired or combined with transparent tape to form an 8. Use the reference lines to have always the same overlapping between the rings. Both pair of rings have to be exactly the same. Then turn it over and fix it also on the reverse side. And now slide the two horizontal 8s into each other at the right angle. The two 8s then are fixed together with a stapler. This procedure is repeated on the other side, and then when you tear the sides apart, you already see how the final helix will look like. Then punch a hole in the middle. Then cut a straw about 7 centimeters and use it as a distance holder in between. This piece is usually the first thing that is broken when using outdoors, but you can easily replace it after a year or so. I use fishing snap connectors on both sides of the wind spinner. With these snap connectors, the wind spinner can rotate freely. Fix the snap on one side and then pull the thread through the hole and the straw. And the second snap is then fixed on the other side of the wind spinner. So basically that's it. You just have to make some and then combine them to various forms. I already made another video showing how to make a single version, so just follow the link in the upper right corner for that one. It already spins at very low wind speeds. But if you would like to finish a video and there is no wind at all, you have to cheat sometimes. We are already at the end of this episode. I hope you liked that project. How to make a Helix wind spinner from soda cans. And like always, stay creative and so long!